Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 2mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams, seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. And in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet easy to make cord with seed beads. In this cord I will use half double crochet and slip stitches. Also you can add a stuff for the jewelry and you will get amazing belt or bracelet or choker. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. My foundation chain is ready. Then I take seed beads. So you can make chain spaces with seed beads on each side. The number of seed beads you determine by yourself. For example, you can use 5, 6, 7 seed beads. In my case, I used 5 seed beads. But for this example, I am making chain space with 7 seed beads. I count 7 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. Make a chain with seed beads. Pull it. So my chain space with seed beads is ready. So I am making the chain with seed beads the same size as my chains in the foundation chain. Continue. Then I'm going to work with half double crochet with seed bead. Work into each chain stitch. In total it should be 7 of them. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. I skip the chain with seed beads. Then insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Make half double crochet with seed bead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th one. My first row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. For the next row I'm making chain space with 7 seed beads. You can do 7 seed beads on one side and for example 5 seed beads on the second side. Here what I have at this point. Then I continue working in the same way. So each chain space on each side will have 7 seed beads. You can crochet 7, you can create 7 or 6 or 5 seed beads. Let's count. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain. I am turning the work in this direction. My working yarn behind the work. I remove my seed beads. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make slip stitches. Work with back loops only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Pattern consists of 2 rows. It is going to be a row of half double crochet. So my pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is half double crochet and the second one is slip stitches. Take 7 seed beads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain. Turn the work. Make half double crochet with seed bead. Work with back loops only. Yarn over the hook with seed bead and work with back loops. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop. Let's repeat. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make half double crochet. Like this. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make half double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seed beads, 6 and 7. This is my back loop. Sometimes it's not visible. Well done. It is very beautiful and bright in the same time. This is the back side. Take 7 seed beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make chain with seed beads. Turn the work. Make slip stitch into each back loop. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch, insert the hook into the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Take 7 seed beads, I will start and you should continue working with your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Turn the work. Make half double crochet with seed bead. Work with back loops only, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the... I skipped the chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch. This is the second stitch. Work with back loops, insert the hook into the back loop. Make half double crochet. I'm not hurry up, and please count how many stitches. 2, 'Keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to... In your case, your bracelet or project could be longer or shorter, it depends on your project. Once I have done my cord, you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry. The number of seed beads and stitches in the row and in the chain spaces you determine with your own. In this case, I am done 7 seed beads. In the second case, I add 5 seed beads. It is very simple and not difficult. If you don't like seed beads, so visit my channel and find a lot of video tutorials for yourself, please. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this pattern. Don't be afraid to experiment. Please use your imagination and unique pattern to create your personal project. Bye!